Do you know you can apply for $1,000 grants? Yes, so this grant is open to everybody and anybody. If this strikes like something you're interested in, do not wait. Don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So guess what, guys? Guess what? The American Dream Awards is back again. And just in case you're not aware, the American Dream Awards shine a spotlight on small businesses that epitomize the modern American dream through their innovative solutions, outstanding community contributions, and commitments to sustainable business practices. Guess what? These prestigious awards are actually available for all for-profit businesses operating in the United States. So if you actually become a recipient, you will receive a package that comprises $1,000 in funding, access to a small business accelerator, media coverage, yes, so you're going on TV, and various other perks. And I'll be walking you through how to apply for this grant. So feel free to apply for one or more of the categories that I'll be sharing with you guys in this video, and make sure that you apply for the one that aligns with your business's strengths and values. So just so you know, it is also the Big Dreamer Award, where they also cater for the launching, yes, so funding and growing. And the juicy part is this: these aspiring small businesses are actually navigating they expect that your businesses are actually navigating the early stages of your journey, and they drive to clear hurdles, land opportunities, and achieve milestones at just 3 years old or less. So if your business is 3 years old or less, you can actually apply for this $1,000 grant. I told you it's free money. It's all about free money on this channel. I show you how to make money online as well as how to make free money. Yes, so you know your girl has always got you covered. If you're not yet a member of the family, what are you waiting for? Join the family, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to let me know where in the world you are tuning in from. Yes, I want to know you guys for real. I want to know. I want to say me. Go ahead and introduce yourselves right here, right there in the comment section. So as I was saying, they will also be hosting the Community Hero Awards, and they'll be creating jobs, contributing to the success of their communities, building something meaningful. And guess what? These small businesses actually open doors and break down barriers to improve the world around them. As a matter of fact, there's also Inclusive Excellence Award. You know, every business actually needs a mission and values, and of course happy employees, yes, to help them reach their destination. So these honorees have truly unlocked the magic of their guiding principles and creating a productive work environment and inclusive culture where core values thrive. Yes, they'll be hosting the Innovator Award by honoring small businesses whose breakthrough innovation took their industry by storm and continues to shake things up. Now, these are the game changers to actually watch. They'll be celebrating novel technologies that disrupt traditional marketplaces. Legacy Builder Award, yes, is also available. They'll be building a legacy. Now, this business must have successfully transitioned from a family-owned business or structure to a broader ownership model, all while preserving and upholding the original brand ethos. They are cheering businesses that have skillfully managed this transition, maintaining the unique values and an identity that actually made them stand out as family-owned enterprises. They'll also be awarding the Resilience Rockstar Award. Hey guys, they'll be celebrating businesses that have demonstrated exceptional resilience in the face of adversity, hardship, and crisis. Now, these businesses not only weathered challenging circumstances, but also managed to thrive and adapt, demonstrating remarkable strength and determination throughout their journey. They're also giving out Sustainability Star Award. Yeah, so sustainability is actually a journey. These green trailblazers have actually forged a new path to do the extraordinary with innovative, eco-friendly solutions set to leave a lasting impact on the future of small businesses and the future of our planet. Being recognized with an American Dream Award is not just an accolade. Yes, it's actually a game changer for you, for your business. This newfound recognition will actually open doors to valuable connections that can fuel your business's growth and strengthen your ties within your community. So don't hesitate to seize this opportunity and showcase your dedication and achievements. Now, take action today by submitting your application. It's super easy to do. Join us by celebrating the spirit of American dreams. Like I said, applications are currently open and the awards will be announced on a rolling basis. Yes, this video never expires. If you're not selected during a certain round, don't worry, you don't need to apply again. Your application will remain under consideration until the close of application. So all you need to do is hop over to the website, fill in the details, your names, your email address, the nature of your business, what you do, and what have you. It's super easy. It's right there as you can see on the screen. Go ahead and start to apply for this amazing opportunity to grant. And like I said, please do well to share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Be a blessing to somebody today. This is gonna help a whole lot of people get this. I mean, if this $1,000 can go around, the world will be a better place now. Yes, don't you think so? So please go ahead and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to also leave your footprint on this video. Make sure that you introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. Like I said, I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? By the way, I am based here in California. Did I introduce myself? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Well, my name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from day one. Yes. So I'm your plug when it comes to all that. And I also want to say a big thank you to my Patreons on this channel. I mean, I have not announced my Patreon membership yet, and people are already joining. I think I have about 39 members at the moment. So thank you so much. I see you. And to those of you that want to join my Patreon membership, find the link in the description. Yes, one more thing is this: if you want to get updates about my YouTube videos, if you want to get updated each time I upload a new video, I mean, you should turn on your notification bells. But in the event that you miss it one way or the other, please go ahead and fill in the form in the comments as well. I've put the form in the comments. Just fill in your details, your name, your country, and your email address, and I think that's it. Yes, and that's it. So guys, make sure that you make it a date with your girl. I'm going to be sharing a $20,000 grant, hey, with you guys. Don't even miss it. Yes, I have actually won grants in the past, so it's easy for me to talk about grants right here on my channel. If you really want to win grants, stick around this channel. I'm your plug. It's the money channel. You know how we do it on this channel. So guys, take care of yourselves, and of course I will see you in my next video. If no one is doubting, if anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right guys, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.